Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're here for the first time, hi, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. My name is Bela, and if you are a returning subscriber, well, you guys mean a lot to me. If you have been following my channel, you would know that I've been making a lot of vlogs about Okuta. Okuta is where I came to work, and I've tried as much as possible to keep you guys up with what has been happening to me in Okuta. This video is a travel vlog. Finally, or sadly, I will be leaving Okuta. I'm saying finally because yeah, I sort of have been waiting for this for a very long time, and then sadly because I have made a lot of friends, I have met new people, and I am starting to enjoy the environment, the children of God, and so much more. But I just have to leave anyway. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to give me thumbs up, share the link to this video with your friends and family, and comment in the comment section. Oh gosh, I am finally leaving Okuta, and I am so excited. But at the same time, I'm somehow kind of feeling a bit bad because I'm going to miss all my friends. But hey, they are not going to be here forever, so then I have to arrange all this. I wish my mother were here. She would do all this for me. African moms are epic. Like they are just amazing. You need to get yourself an African mom.
A few moments later.
Nígbà tó ń ti kọ́ ni wọ́n fi sọ́dọ̀ him. So when I arrived at home, it was already late, like about 9 p.m. or thereabout, so I could not really vlog because I was extremely tired and my phone was almost down and I had to go to work the next day. Yes, I did not resign, I just got transferred back to Saki. So let's continue, guys. Don't forget, if you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe. If you haven't followed me on my social media, please do so now.
2,000 years later.
So guys, I've resumed duty the next day, and this is what the workplace looks like. It's really amazing and it looks somehow new to me, but anyway, I guess I'll blend, and that is what learning is all about anyway. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching up until now. I really appreciate it. Thank you for your love, thank you for your support. Please don't forget to comment in the comment section, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. So until next time, bye guys.